Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerry Ellen and welcome to my channel. It's always a pleasure to see you and I hope you're all doing very well. Today I'm going to make something that tastes like a Snickers bar and it's no bake treat. It's perfect for the summer. Delicious. So no bake, just like a Snickers bar, or it could pass for a Snickers bar. And anyway, it's delicious. But as I was getting my ingredients out to get ready to make this for you all, because it comes together like that, I realized I don't have one ingredient. So I'm going to take you to the store with me very quickly. We'll grab that and get back here and start making this, okay? So let's go. Okay, let's go get this. We won't be long, I promise.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find this world.
Let's see. Looking for frozen yogurt, because that's what I'm going to use in it today.
Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Salted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they...
Okay, neighbors, I am back. Now, how many ounces? I'm going to get 2 cups of this frozen yogurt. I'm doing this not like a lower sugar kind of version of this, and it still tastes great. So almost like a diabetic version, I would say, because I have to watch my sugar, but it tastes delicious, so I want to share it with you. And you can use regular ice cream if you want, but I'm using frozen yogurt. Just to, that's not going to scoop it. Just to help me with, if I want a treat, it will be this kind of version of a treat sometimes that I'll be sharing. And when I make it, there's no complaints anyway, so it's really good. I hope that all my fellow Canadians had a wonderful Canada Day, and I hope that all my neighbors in the United States had a wonderful July 4th. This mix is better when it's really softer. Just going to move this aside. 1 cup. I'm using the 25% less fat one of the Cool Whip. Oh my goodness! Come on, I can't open it. 1 cup of the lower fat Cool Whip. Put this in the freezer. This, I couldn't find sugar-free butterscotch at the store I was at. So a package of butterscotch pudding mix, just the powder. And if you can find sugar-free, if you're watching your sugars as well, that would be even better. And fun fact, put it across the screen, I can't remember when, but Canada doesn't sell, or at least as far as I know, sell grape nut cereal. I'll put, if it is true, across the screen, but so if you have grape nut cereal, go ahead and use that. 3/4 of a cup. I just went and I got a granola that's kind of similar size as the grape nut cereal, and I'm going to use 3/4 of the cup. I have a homemade granola recipe that I make. I still got a few things that I've been wanting to share for the past while and haven't gotten around to it. And I'm going to put, this is no sugar added, no salt, no sugar added peanut butter. I'm going to give it a mix. Mix the oils through. There's still enough sugar in the frozen yogurt and Cool Whip anyway. I don't need it in the peanut butter. Oopsie. I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup. I mean, I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup. A good 1/4 of a cup. If it goes a little bit more, it's okay. Square pan, 8x8 or 9x9 will do. I'll get my spatula. This makes 4 servings, and of course I'm going to have it in the description box under the video, but hopefully you'll stick around and see how it turns out. 1 second, I got to mix that a little bit better. And if I can calculate the nutrition and calories or whatever, if I can calculate the calories per serving, which I will do my best to, because I do that a lot with the diabetic desserts that I make. I calculate the calories and stuff. So I'll just do it with the recipe, the original recipe. I'll calculate it for you, because that would be what I'll be leaving in the description box. I have wax paper, or you can parchment line your pan. And to have it even more like a Snickers bar, even tasting even better, drizzle it with chocolate, the serving, before you serve your guests. Delicious. And I'm going to freeze this. It's probably take like 4 hours in my freezer. 4 good sized servings. You can make them smaller. It's a nice dessert. And you can double the recipe and put it in a 9x13 easily if you're sharing it with a crowd. Okay, I'm going to pop that in the freezer.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find this world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is.
I know it says 4 servings, but we're just gonna. I put the amount for the 4 servings, like calories, all that stuff. But we're just gonna have a little bite now and again. And wrap them up in the freezer. Oh my goodness. The cereal stayed nice and crunchy in there. You can taste the peanut butter and a bit of the caramel. It's really, really good. A little too good. And if you're cutting a bigger piece, it's definitely not finger food because it'll melt. Use a fork. Because my ice cream was a bit soft too. Maybe if you had a harder ice cream it'd firm up more, but Not finger food, but delicious. Delicious. A must try. Peace, love, and God bless. Thanks, everyone. Please come back again. Look at that.